don't know.
Well, as far as I'm
Frank
Frank
replied. I'll explain all that in a second for those of you who don't know what the hell I'm talking about.
Frank could be on work experience, or he could be somebody who's been in space. That was the thing that I felt last year when I interviewed him last year. So this hand's been in space. You know what I mean?
I mean,
the whole of him's been in space.
Yeah. What is that? Why did you shake all of them?
But I wasn't touching anything else. It was just.
Guess what, Ben? You had 1,100 followers. You've now got 1,546 followers.
There you go.
So brave. LBC time for news. Dominic Byrne has 3. What did you decide to eat halfway through that link?
Chris, I'm going to level with you. I've just put some melon in my mouth. You know, where are you from and stuff? Fish.
This is LBC.
This is Florence at the Machine.
Fishing machine.
Stop with the fish, seriously, and stop masticating.
Oh!
Pippa, Toby, Matt and James,
Yeah,
right?
that's right.
And Alf or not?
No, Alfie wasn't there.
So, that I stayed.
It's a thing, it's a flag, there's a history. It might be, they might snitch, they discover there's nothing there except some power.
This is a Shifu or a Bichon. It's like, you know, just have a proper dog. They were cute though.
Yeah, but when they get older, they're just so bloody boring. Oh, great, another Cavapouchon. Yay. I just think people, like, obviously they've taken them to training school, so they can't be too, like, just, oh, it's just a dog, it'll just look after itself. But
The one to the left of us though, like, Exactly who was she?
Like, who was she?
Was
Just-
she? I don't know, just someone else with a dog. What do you mean, who was she?
What did you just say?
I said, did you see the woman to the left of us?
Yeah, that was my answer. Like, oh yeah, who was she? Like, why? This is the second time this has happened to me today. I'm not speaking a foreign language. Why do people not understand why I'm saying it? Like, if I say, oh yeah, who is she? That's just meaning like she looked like a weirdo. Do you get that?
No. I mean, if you'd said she was weird, I would have gone, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't say that.
I thought you literally asked, like, who she was. What's Maggie crying about?
Thank you. Go back to your physical seatbelt on. Come in.
It's really wonderful. And I'll tell you now, if there are any royalties that come out there, they're all going to go to the charities, the military charities and stuff possible. So, thank you.
Necessarily designed to make looking for ways I can be helpful. And my prayer, a simple prayer before I walk out on every stage is use me, Lord. And when you do that, it's like if you get out of the way, my greatest gift is getting out of the way. I know that sounds silly to some people, but it's really true. I'm not an ultra religious person, but I'm extremely spiritual, and I believe the force of life comes through me and comes through all of us. And the only thing that's in the way is all the beliefs we have about how it's supposed to be, all the expectations we have, and I have them too. But I keep leaving them out. So I don't want to give you the impression it can be somebody close to you that feels they want it. It can be an external force. But if you do battle with this, eventually you battle with yourself. Because if you can solve it within yourself, you can, regardless of what happens in the outside world, you can have that sense that life is moving forward. So yelling and fighting and all those things, it's not the whole piece, but it's something people have to, it's one of the areas of life that should be mastered, not it's wrong. Well, while I'm interviewing 50 of the richest people on the face of the earth, all not from the Lucky Sperm Club, they all built it from scratch, right? I'm watching Congress in my country pass new laws that basically cut food stamps. They call it the SNAP exercise. It's what we do in our country to support people that really need the support. They cut it by, I think it was $7.5 billion. It's the equivalent of every family in America that needs help having to give up 1 week's worth of meal for them and their family every month, unless the private sector jumped in. So I call